jetty, and it's really foggy. And let's see, so we're heading out towards the lighthouse on the jetty, and back there is the hotel. You can't even see it. We have a lot of buoys in the ocean. I have a fear of falling in right there, so yeah. We get it, you have a horn on that thing. Anyway, still walking. Yeah. Okay, buddy, I swear to God. This guy is jogging on a jetty. There it is. How long have I been walking for? Because it feels like a while. And there's a seal. So I'm gonna head over there for the hot tub, where probably the pool is very overpopulated. Alright, so we're just gonna sneak our stuff onto the cabana. Don't care.
Ooh, yummy.
Thank God. So I'm finally in the elevator alone. Like, I haven't been in the elevator alone for a while. And I kind of sound like a man right now. You're right. I'm gonna go back to my room and I'm gonna eat some fudge. Because it's vacation and I really don't care. So, I'm lost in the woods. Okay. So the fire alarms just started going off. Alright, so as you know, the fire alarms are going off, and in this next clip, I go in the hotel, in the building, where the alarms are going off, so I just wanted to let you know that. So please, I advise you to turn down your volume. You know, please, I just advise it. I've warned you, you have been warned, so please. Well, that's it for today's vlog, so don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe, and all my social media is in the description below, and I am posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so bye!